Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the default keyboard in the Samsung Galaxy F55. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, security settings, and accessibility features. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type Keyboard List and Default. This is the section where you control which keyboard apps are active and which one your phone uses by default. Step 4. After performing the search, find the Keyboard List and Default option in the search results and tap on it. Then tap again to go into the keyboard settings where you can manage everything. Step 5, for the last and most important step, if you haven't already installed a new keyboard like Gboard, go to the Google Play Store, search for it, and install it. Once installed, go back to the keyboard list and toggle on the new keyboard, Gboard. You might see a warning, just tap OK to confirm. Step 6. Lastly, tap the default keyboard option at the top of the screen. You'll see a list of enabled keyboards. Select your new keyboard and it'll be set instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.